All right, now, so we're going to continue with percentage, okay? Now, a quick question. If I have a fraction, half, if I were to convert to percentage, what would it be? Okay. Percentage, if half, if I were to convert to percentage, what will I get? How many percent? Thank you. Okay, so that's 50%. So if I have 1/5 is how many percent?
20%.
You. And 2/5 would be
40%.
you. Where's the rest of you? 3/5.
60%.
That would be 60%, yes.
1/4.
25%.
And 3/4.
It will be
75%, yes.
Okay, so you must be very quick with this, huh? Now, if I were to convert 4/5 would be
80%.
80%, yeah.
now 1/8.
15%.
No. 1/8. Okay, press 1/8. To convert from fraction to percentage, I must times 100, right? To give me 12.5%. Can you all press your calculator and see?
Yeah.
1/8 times 100.
I actually don't think I need the percentage sign because when I do that, it gives me the same answer.
Yeah, correct. You don't need the percentage sign, really. Okay, got it. You don't need the percentage sign. It's just that sometimes if you want to do a quick calculation of GST, you just have to take 52 times 8%. They will give you your GST amount, okay? So, but that is when you want to do a quick calculation of it. Otherwise, you can just times 0.08. Okay, now, so this is 12.5%. So 1/10 is how many percent? Thank you, Evan. Oh, Timothy. Thank you, Timothy. Okay, 1/10 is how many percent? Only Timothy? Bella, yes, correct. 10%, huh? Okay, all you need to do is take 1/10 times 100. So this will give you 10%, okay? All right, so that means 2/10 will be your 20%, 3/10 is 30%, 4/10 is 40%, and so on, okay? So these are some of the things you need to remember, okay? Now, then comes this question. So if I have, so today we're going to do percentage. We're going to revise fractions, ratio, and percentage right now. When we talk about original price, it is always how many percent? Original price is always based on how many percent? Hey. Original price? And then you have a, huh? Original price is always based on? Thank you, Rachel. Thank you, just Ringgit call. Okay, so it is based on 100%. Thank you. Discount, let's say 1,000%. No, it's not 1,000, it's 100%. Now, if I say the discount given is, hang on, I just need to admit your friend. Okay, now, if the discount given is 20%, so that means what is the discounted price based on? How many percent? Thank you, Bella. So it is based on 80% of original, okay? So the discount given plus the discounted price will give you, plus the discounted amount will give you a total of 100%. Okay, now, again, please be familiar with discounted, Giselle. Please be familiar with the terms that they use, okay? And suddenly there's a lot of new people whom I don't know. Okay, wait, see, everybody started coming in now. Okay, now,
Sorry, I came late.
that's all right. Who is it? Giselle talking.
Giselle.
It's okay, Giselle. No problem. We understand that sometimes traffic.
I needed to subscribe to the
Never mind. It's okay, Giselle. Thank you very much for your lengthy explanation. We know like I said, I understand that traffic is bad. Okay, Ken. Thank you very much. Anyway, so let us continue. GST. How much is GST this year? How many percent?
8.
Yes, 8%. You cannot scream, Giselle. The moment you scream, none of us can hear anything. Okay, you must say 8. Then
Last
everybody can
year
hear.
was 7,
Thank you, Giselle. Okay, next year will be
9.
okay. So take note, this year we're using 8%. We're not using 7% unless the question states so. So you have to be very careful. Now, when we need to add GST, it is always the discounted price becomes 100% plus the GST, which is 8%. It is 108%. Okay, so take note. I can also represent 108% as 1.08. Okay, all right, take note. Now, question 1. This is converting from fraction to decimal. Actually, from this, nobody should get it wrong, but I have one person who did. Okay, now, so when it comes to decimal, it is always good to ensure that your fraction, hang on, listen to my question. It's always good to have your denominator converted to what? I know the answer is A, but no need to spam. Now, guys, I can see your answer. No need to type many times, You just type once, I'll be able to see. Now, I'm not asking the question yet, okay? So it is always good to have the denominator as 10. What else?
100 and 1,000.
Thank you. 100 and 1,000. Okay. So in this case, 50. The closest I can get is actually to change this 50 to, what's the easiest?
100.
Change it to 100. So I just have to times 2. So that means if I were to convert this, because 100 has 2 decimal places, sorry, it has 2 zeros, that means it's the same as having 2 decimal places. So, but because there is a 2, this goes to the back. So 8.02. So everybody got the answer A. Yeah, so I can see from my screen, most of you got the answer A. Okay, but it's just that when you're doing the tutorial, someone submitted a wrong answer. So I'm just going to go through this. Okay, now for question number 2. Okay, so for question number 2, take note, Bella, Evan, and Gordon, what happened? Your answer is not correct. Why? Because you chose. Yeah, you try again. So now, please make sure that when you're putting numbers into fractions, the units must be the same. So in this case, I have 2 kg of flour and this is 800 grams. So what do you need to do? Either you change it to kg for all, or you change it to grams. Okay? Either you change it to kg or you change it to grams. So in this case, they want to find out the percentage of flour left. most probably, those of you who got it wrong, it's probably because you didn't see the word left, is it? Is that the reason? Yeah. So if she bought 2 kg, she used 800, what is she left with?
What about others? What you have done?
So that means from kilogram, change it to, if I want to change it to grams, what do I get? 2 kg is 100%. No need, Evan, don't do it this way. Change this to, you have to change this to, how many grams? Thank you. So it's changed it to 2000 grams. So this is what Madeline bought at first. Then she used 800. She used 800 grams. What is she? Sorry, that's not left. My labeling is not correct. So this is bought. Use 800 grams, left with minus 800 to give me 1200. Thank you, Evan. Okay, so this is what happened. So you want to find percentage of flour left. So that means, wow, how many grams were bought? 2000 grams. How much left? 1200 times 100% now. Again, a reminder, when you are calculating this, because in my working, I put the percentage. Why? To show that I know that we're calculating and my unit, final unit that I will get will be in percentage. So I have the percentage there. But when you are pressing the calculator, you do not have to punch the percentage button. You don't need that. Okay? So from here, you would get, anyway, this is MCQ. You're not supposed to use a calculator. Okay? You're not supposed to use a calculator because this is MCQ, right? So divide by 1000, divide by 100. And then again, the zeros cancel off. So this is 2 and 6. 6 times 10 to give me 60%, which is C. Hey. Yeah, which is C. So the rest of you who got it wrong, you actually put in B, which is 40%. So I believe that's what was percentage used. Okay, now, so question number 3, the price of a calculator is $60 before discount. So how many percent is this? Is this the original price? Is this the original price? Yes. Okay, so this is the original price.
Yes.
So that means it is 100%. So if
So then
the
you deduct-
original, sorry, come again.
So can I explain the question?
Sure, can.
So if $60 is 100%, wait, me. Is your 100. If 60 is your 100%, you need to find out how much is 1%. That
Okay,
way
very good.
you get you can multiply it to get 20%.
60 divided by
So
100, right?
100,
Give you how much?
yes. Yeah, 0.6 or 0.60, I suppose. So
And
what
then?
you want to do after that is you want to find 20%, which
Okay.
is 20. That gives you 12. So 12 is 20%. So $60 minus $12 is $48.
Okay. Minus $12. Thank you very much, Gordon. Okay. So what has Gordon done is actually to find out the discounts, the amount of discount given, which is 20%. And that's where he found it to be $12. So that means the discounted price. Okay, so take note, discounted price is actually 80% of original. Okay, so he got 48. Now, alternatively, yes, you can also find you don't need to find 20%. Alternatively, you straight away find how much. Who can tell me besides 20%, what else can I find?
80%.
You can find
Yes.
50%.
You can actually not you can actually find